the exciting project for Smart India Hackathon 2025, that is Prakash Nek. Every night across India, thousands of streetlights fail in silence. A dark lane doesn't just mean inconvenience, it means accidents, rising crimes, and wasted electricity. And today, most cities only discover failure when it's already too late. This hidden crisis costs lives, energy, and money every single day. We are here with an innovative project, Prakash Netra, the Eye of Light. We asked ourselves, what if streetlights could talk? What if every pole could report its health instantly to the city, while also drawing power from clean renewable resources? Monitoring plus renewable energy plus AI alerts. So our solution is a smart street light monitoring and energy system, Prakash Netra. Each street light has an IoT-enabled microcontroller node that continuously tracks voltage and current. But the real power lies in the base station, a central hub that collects data from every nearby pole. The base station then pushes it to the cloud where the city dashboard updates in real time. Instantly, the control team receives a mobile alert. Pole 12, fault detected. And there is more. PrakashNet integrates renewable energy sources like solar panels, ensuring that a street stays sustainably, reducing dependency on conventional power and lowering carbon emission. But we didn't stop there. With AI-powered prediction alerts, our system doesn't just detect faults, it forecasts them. By analyzing patterns of voltage drop and energy fluctuation, PrakashNet can warn pole 18 possible failure in the next 48 hours. This means timely repair before breakdown, saving both time and money. If supply is on but current is zero, the bulb is fused. If both supply and current are zero, the line is down. It's simple logic but delivered instantly. Compared to manual inspection, PrakashNet detects faults 60% faster. And with AI predictions, maintenance becomes proactive, not reactive, making roads safer, cost lower, electricity used smarter, and power greener through renewable energy. This is not just monitoring, it's the future of PrakashNet. So we are PrakashNet. Because safer street means safer life, and a smarter system with renewable energy and AI means stronger, greener cities. Together, we are building a brighter, safer, and smarter India. Thank you.